this video. Hello everybody, and welcome to the 34th video of the channel, which is another geometry lesson. Alright, let's go right into the answers to the previous questions. But before that, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for more awesome videos just like this. Without further ado, let's move on to our answers to our previous questions. For today, our first answer to our previous question is 130 degrees. And remember, this is from last video's practice problems. Make sure to check out last video. It's very helpful. Our second question answer is 50 degrees. Let's move on to the lesson. Alright, here is the lesson. It is a geometry theorem. And this theorem is an angle subjected by the diameter of a circle is equal to 90 degrees. So let's explain it. If we have a circle, and inside that circle is a triangle, and one side of the triangle is the diameter, the angle opposite to the diameter is 90 degrees. Now there's applications, that's how we actually use the theorem, like to find different angles or in combine with other theorems to solve more complicated problems. You can also use trigonometry and algebra to make the problems more complicated, but that would be later when we delve more in depth to the theorems and not just their basic applications. So I think it's high time we move to the examples. Hello and welcome to the examples. These are actually going to be really simple. They should not pose any trouble, and I think it's going to be easy because it's going to be simple as long as I show you, and the practice problem is just going to be like this. So let's go to our first example. We need to find the angle x, but you see it's in a triangle, so the end sum is 180 degrees. But the angle subjected, by the diameter is 90 degrees, but then there's another angle which is 20 degrees. So that's that. And then we have x is equal to 180 minus 110. And then after that, x is equal to 70 degrees. Our second example is also very simple. We have to find out x. So 180 is the end sum, but we have 90 degrees, but we also have 60 degrees. So we have 90 plus 60 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Pretty simple. So then you add up 90 and 60, you get 150 plus x is equal to 180. So then x is equal to 30 degrees. Let's move on to the practice problems. Alright, for today, we only have one practice problem. And by the way, this is the diameter. Here's the center of the circle. I want you to find out the angle x. Since this is really simple, and I think we're going to go into these theorems a little more deep, I think it would be easier to just give you a little less practice problems and give you more practice when it gets a lot harder. So, I think that's it. We have to solve for x in the figure, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.